What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome or welcome back. So on today's episode, I just want to tell you about a discount code that I received, and I want to pass it along to you guys. You know, recently I installed the Roadanvi 12.3 inch monitor screen in my FJ, and I've had it for maybe a couple of months now. I've enjoyed it so much. Like, I really like it. I wish I would have done this years ago, but once they reached out to me and sent me the unit and I installed it, I've been so happy with it. Just a huge improvement on like the technology and functionality of the FJ compared to the old FJ Cruiser radio unit. They reached back out to me this week, and actually just yesterday, to see if I would be interested in a discount code to pass along to you guys. I said absolutely. Check the description, it's in there. And what it is, it's an 8% discount on any of their units on their Amazon page. So just click on the link in the description and it'll take you to it. The code is TTTRASH8, all capital letters. Pretty excited about that. And like I said, I just wanted to do a short video and share that with you in case you guys are in the market for a new unit or on the fence about it. And it's not just for the FJ. It's anything on their store, so they have other stuff for I think Subarus and Tacomas and other cars on there. So if you're in the market and you want a discount, check it out in the description and use the link and save some money. I'm gonna get in the FJ. I wanna show you some of the features and just talk about the unit itself and kind of give my thoughts on it. Get in on the passenger side so I don't have to fight with the steering wheel. And like I say, I've been really happy with the unit, and I got mine in black instead of the silver like it was, and I really think it turned out great. I think it looks better than having the silver piece in there and all, so really happy with it. I haven't had any issues, no glitches, no slow startups, none of that stuff. So I've been really happy with the performance of it. But if you decide to do this on the FJ, it's really easy. You got a screw here and a screw there, and then these side pieces, little trim pieces, pop off. And then you got a screw there and right there, and either your factory or your aftermarket radio will come out of there, and then this will just replace everything. So, and it is a plug and play setup, so it's fairly easy to do. And it does come with a rear view camera, which I already have a rear view camera with my wolf box mirror, so I'd utilize that for the front camera, which this has a hookup for front and rear cameras. So I did hook my front camera up to this, but not my rear view. So this is where it's linking to CarPlay. That noise you heard, that was my wolf box mirror starting up. I have not turned that off yet, and I need to. And there's the CarPlay interface there, which, I mean, it's pretty sweet. It goes straight into your music. I mean, it's like, it's quick. Like, it's really neat, everything you can do with this unit. What else? You got your music. I mean, you can read your text. You can do all this stuff. And it will actually read text to you. So that's pretty neat. We'll go into the car. And this is the interface for the actual unit. And kind of this is their navigation. So if you're not using CarPlay, but you still want to use navigation, the unit has its own navigation, and it's pretty decent and quick. Like, you can just point on it, select the destination, and it'll take you to it, which is pretty cool. It's got your radio, and you can change up the home screen to add add your apps and whatnot. So, but here it is. Like, here's some of the features. This is your storage for your files. Like, you can go in and upload files. There's music, videos. There's videos on here right now, and I'll show you that in just a second. Let's see, home. And here's the front view camera. It's just pointing down at the concrete in front of me. I have it set as a for trail cam. If you're riding on the trail, that's the front view. That's your file manager, Bluetooth. You got calendar. You can search online, like you can Google, which I don't have it online. I don't hook anything up to Wi-Fi. Same thing, you got YouTube. You just click on it. And if you're online, which you can get online, but like I said, I don't do all that. I don't connect all of my stuff online. It's got settings. Here's the video. It's just, I don't have my stereo on, but video quality is good. You can download videos. So you can put movies on the storage and save them. So if you don't want it, like, I don't have Wi-Fi, so I could actually store videos on here and play them at camp. So really neat though. Like I said, I've really enjoyed it. I have no complaints with it. It's quick. It's been functional, more functional than anything I've had before in the FJ. So really happy with it. And that is it for this video, just showing you some of the features of the Roadanvi unit that I have in my FJ. Like I say, I've really been happy with it, no complaints so far. The functionality's been spot on, no lagging, no issues, no glitches, any of that stuff. And the main reason for doing this video is they offered an 8% discount. So I wanted to inform you guys that if you're in the market for a good unit, and it doesn't have to be just for the FJ, click on the link. It takes you to their Amazon store, and you can save 8% on anything on their store. So pretty neat. Thank you, Roadanvi, for doing that. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything about the unit that I didn't cover, just drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. And until next time, stay trashy.